Readiness is imperative. Battle damage, aging systems, as well as maintenance and logistic lead times are not new to the United States Air Force or the Department of Defense. Innovative technologies are now available to establish a global network of organic reverse engineering and agile manufacturing cells that can get systems ready for the fight and in the fight. Sabel's digital engineering cloud is structured to allow the Air Force to maximize its global capacity of airmen, civilian engineers, technicians, tools, and equipment. It will provide visibility of orders, ensuring materials are available to support demands. It will provide reverse engineering software, datasets, and data subscriptions to recreate reliable, producible, and airworthy parts. Our process and data management affords global access to trusted libraries of manufacturing technical data, training, engineering approvals, and collaboration, pushing workload to home station, depot, and program offices. Using Internet of Things, we monitor equipment health and quality to ensure critical assets are being used and working within tolerances. Our framework offers business model flexibility, allowing seamless workload transitions between the multitude of programs, contractors, and other enterprise components. Our Digital Advanced Manufacturing Operations Cell, or AMOC, is currently deployed at Marine Corps Systems Command. It provides a turnkey solution to more rapidly and effectively manage complex ideation, design, development, sustainment, and disposition, resulting in faster product design and development by reducing engineering cycle times, improving product quality, and cutting rework through access to computer-aided design, computer-aided engineering, computer-aided manufacturing, advanced multi-physics modeling and simulation, product data management, augmented reality, and of course, Internet of Things. Founded in 2001, Sabel Systems is an economically disadvantaged, woman-owned small business that provides innovative solutions to organizational challenges and needs. Our company is focused on technological innovation. We have achieved objectives on major IT initiatives for big business as well as federal and local governments by providing them with solutions that deliver optimum functionality and cost-effective value for their investment.